morning. There are just 34 days until Christmas. Are you kidding?
We've already decided to get a head start on our holiday decorating here at the CBS.
Yeah, that's right. We wanted to share the beauty of the Light Up in the Backyard Weather Center with all of the, just in case you haven't been able to catch them after the sun goes down. We have lights up in the trees and along the shed, and of course, we still have our Coats for Kids coats up as well.
You can still drop off coats at any Puritan Cleaners location through the end of the month to help a child in need stay warm this winter. There were some holiday lights there.
Yep.
We talk about the Lewis Ginter, Dominion Energy Garden Festa light. It kicks off Monday for this week, but they had a little bit of a preview the other night. And our friend over there, Beth Monroe, I don't know what she did. She let me come over and take a look at it. That was her first mistake.
Did you have to peek over the fence to get these pictures?
I did. These are illegal
I think
pictures.
so.
But take a look at some of this. This first shot was right before sunset.
Man.
And just look at what they've done over there. Every year, it is fantastic. And this year, it's a little bit different. You know, if you've been there the last few years, things will be a little bit different this year.
Just like everything.
So, yeah, but we had a nice little shot of the moon the other night. Had this area that's in front of that one house out back. And look at this. They have a lit up unicorn.
Oh, my goodness.
And I didn't show it over here. This is a peacock. It is huge. It takes up like part of the lawn there.
Well, fantastic shots. I think we all need some little holiday cheer
Yes.
this year. So get on over there to Lewis Ginter. Fantastic place.
Yeah, and for this week coming up, Greg, other than Tuesday, it's not going to be very cold, so you'll be able to enjoy those lights out there with some mild temperatures.